Today we are going to be making pumpkin risotto, and there are just a handful of ingredients that we need. We can start with pumpkin. So we're gonna take apart pumpkin seeds. We can toast them later. Here are pumpkins. We're going to use these small ones to have a little bites on our risotto, and these big ones we will smash them into puree. I'm going to season it with some rosemary, some black pepper, salt, some oil, and it goes into an oven for 20 minutes. We will check on them while they are nice and soft. So at this point, we take the rice, we mix it into the pan. Pour in a glass of wine, let that reduce until there's just about none of that wine left remaining. Keep in mind that the wine you are using should be dry and especially good, because the alcohol goes away, but what remains is the flavor of the wine you're using. Meanwhile, in this other pan, we have our stock. We're gonna pour in 1/2 of the stock, mix it into the rice, and then we're going to go ahead. So we turn off the heat. We try, and only now we add salt if needed, because our stock was already salted. Seasoning a bit with parmesan and mix. Well, our risotto is ready, but to make it shinier and creamier, we're gonna add some butter in it. Place the lid on and let rest 2 minutes before serving. Give it a few taps on a palm to give it a nice and relatively round circle. You can grate some additional parmesan, pumpkin on top, good color, bright yellow canary with orange pumpkin on top. That's creamy and smooth and tasty. That's perfect, just the way risotto is.